Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this one we have got Jake back on the channel. Here he is. Say hello, Jake.
Alright.
So, you might remember Jake from a few videos. The last video I think we did with Jake was when we did a little review on his Audi A1. Well, we're actually back with Jake's Audi A1 now. However, he's had a little accident, haven't you, Jake?
Yeah, just a little one.
So we're going to help him fix it today. So basically he was on the motorway, someone crashed into the side of him and has caused a bit of damage to his car. Luckily it's not too bad, it's something we can fix. However, the insurance company did write it off for this, which is absolutely crazy when you look at the damage that's actually been done. And this total fix is probably going to cost Jake maybe like 70-80 quid, yeah. And the insurance wrote it off for it. So I'll spin the camera around and show you what we're going to be doing today. So here we are, guys. This is what the damage is on Jake's Audi. You can see there the wing has just been basically dented in here, which is not the end of the world. It's like just cosmetic really, and something we can fix pretty easily. So Jake managed to go and pick up this new wing, luckily in the exact same colour as well, so we're not having to get it painted or anything. How much did you pay for the wing, Jake?
70 quid.
£70.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to just get this wing changed over. Which should be a pretty easy job. Hopefully. He said it now, but who knows. So we're going to attempt to do it without taking the wheel off. We're still going to jack it up just so it gives us a little bit more room to get under here, get the arch liner off. We have just noticed that this is actually riveted on here, which is a bit of a pain because we don't have any new rivets. So we're going to just unbolt the wing and try and take it off as is. And then these we might just put some little bolts in there or something for the time being until we get some rivets. But we're going to get the car jacked up, and then we'll start on doing some of these bolts.
I might get my wheels refurbed at some point because they need it. Oh, my Audi cap's come off.
Yeah, I'd take it out.
Oh god. Whew. I panicked then.
That's loose, that's good.
It stood on my wing then. A dent in your wing. That's not good.
I don't even know how deep it held up. They look like little press stud things.
Right now, they look like they're held on with magic.
Right, I'm going to get a flathead and we'll just try and ping them off.
So we're trying to get these off.
They don't look like screws or Allen keys. They look like they're just pinged in.
Yeah, like little press fit studs.
Yeah.
I'm a stud.
Oh yeah.
But they don't seem to be wanting to ping out very easily. I can't see whether they got threads on them or not. Shite in there.
Pardon?
There's a load of shite in there. Yeah, they don't seem to want to like ping out very easily. How the bloody hell do you get these off? They don't like screws to you, do they?
No. But could they not be plastic ones?
I don't know, there's no
Is that spinning out?
It's just spinning. I don't think it's actually got a thread on it. Oops. It's not that even more now. You might need a new one.
Oh no. Oh. Whoa, look at all that in there. Oh. Something popped out. What's in there? Oh, City of Atlantis. Oh, bloody hell. I had the phone tilted then.
Can't open the door, can we?
No. Should we get a crowbar and like pry that out so we can open the door?
Yeah, it's probably not a bad idea. I don't think we'll be able to pry it out. Actually.
Oh.
You'll end up damaging the door. which we don't want to do.
Yeah, what's on this side?
Let's just try and get the arch line off the other side and just try and go from here.
Look at that, specialised tools straight in.
You're a specialised tool.
I am. I am indeed.
There's Jake's actually doing work on his own car.
I do work, I do the damage. And then you fix it.
Yeah, and then I fix it.
That was supposed to go in there.
So guys, a little situation update. So we've got all these top ones off. There's 3 that go along the top. Actually 4, because there's 2 in this one. And then we basically just got the whole thing off. So we've got the wheel arch liner just kind of chilling there. So if you look up here, there's this like bracket thing. There's 2 bolts that bolt onto that there. And then there's one that bolts onto this plastic bit here, the bumper. Which is what you use to connect the bumper in, so we got all that off. So it's literally just flopping around now. Last 2 things to do are just these 2, I think the T30s down here that hold the bottom on, and then the whole wing should come off and we can start putting the new one on.
We're going to update about the liner situation.
Yeah, the liner's a little bit messed up, so probably have to buy a new liner, but for probably about 30 quid, it's not the end of the world. But yeah, we're getting there. So I'm going to make Jake do this part. There's 2 bolts just down here to do. So we'll get Jake to do them, and then hopefully the wing should come off. So let's get cracking with that, Jake.
So we had a quick change of manpower. I couldn't find the screw and I couldn't get it in. So Sam was like, just let me do it. So I'm just letting him do it.
We're here for days, but I'll let you do it. So there we are, guys. Step back, look at that. How sexy is that with no wing? So yeah, pretty basic. So just to recap on what we've done. So there's 2 studs here, which just unbolt 10 mils. Down here, which is pretty easy. And then there was a couple in the arch liner here, a couple here, a couple here, and a few along the top. Pretty easy. So now we're going to just do the reverse and fit the, which one's the new one? That's the new one. We're going to fit the new one. So we'll get cracking on that. Ready, Jake?
Absolutely.
Right, let's go. So this little bracket that bolts on here, it's riveted to the original one. However, we're not going to rivets, so we've just, oh yeah, we're going to have to drill that as well. We've just drilled it out. I'm just going to use these little bolts to bolt it in, but it should work perfectly fine. But as Jake just pointed out, we're going to probably have to drill these holes out to make it bigger. So we'll just go and do that quickly, and then we'll get fitting this.
So we've just drilled that back out. I'm just going to pop these on.
Probably easier to just take it off completely.
Take it off.
Look at that. Almost like OEM. Bit of black paint on it, you'll have it.
Oh jeez.
Cool, right, so we've got that bracket back on, that's back on. So it literally should now just be the reverse of what we did before. So,
and we don't quite know what we did before, so
yeah, we just made it up, so should be easy. We're just going to get all these kind of lined up and then just start bolting things back together, I think.
So normally what we do is we watch a YouTube video and we then go do it, but this time there was no YouTube videos, so we're just left winging it.
No pun intended.
Oh, bloody hell. It's alright actually, it's not too bad.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Might have to clip that bit in first and then
Clip that into there like that. And then there's a bolt. One of these bolts goes in there, but I can't remember which one. That one goes down there.
oh well, there's a problem. We didn't keep track of the bolts, we just put them all in a big pile.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
So, quick update on the build.
Yeah, we're back in. Looks alright, needs a bit of a polish and a clean, but it's a lot better than the old one.
Can,
And we can actually open the door now.
and that's not in the way. can open the door now, so people can actually get in and out of my car. Some digestive biscuits.
Yeah, it just needs a bit of a polish up, but
It's alright.
winner. Alright, let's get the arch liner back in place.
Right, this is the tough part now.
Yeah, you can give me a hand doing this. There we are, guys, all done. Nice new, brand new second-hand wing. So we managed to get it lined up pretty nice. You can see the panel gap is pretty even all the way down, same as the other side, so that's really good. So we just improvised here with a couple of screws where the rivets were, but that's not a massive issue. But yeah, it's all nice and in line. So we're just going to give the car a little clean up now, then we can see how it looked. But it definitely needs buffing. You can like hear from the paint it's very flat, but we'll give it a wash in a little bit, and then we'll get the we've got the polisher, so we'll get a bit of compound on it just to bring it up a little bit nicer. But yeah, what do you think, Jake?
Buzzing.
Jake's happy. Jake is happy, so there you go, job's a good one. So guys, we finished the wing, and we're actually pretty pleased, aren't we, Jake, how it turned out?
It's pretty good, I'm buzzing.
So we put it on, and it lines up really nice and perfect. There's a couple of little scratches in it because it is a second-hand wing, but you know what? It actually looked really good. So we put it on, and it was a little bit dull, so we got the machine polisher out, and we just polished it up a little bit, and we ended up doing the whole car as well, didn't we? What are you doing, you weirdo? But it actually looks really good. So I'm going to spin the camera around, and we'll show you the final result. So there you go, guys. How much better? I mean, just having a clean makes it a million times better than what it was. But yeah, so we've got the new second-hand used wing on. As you can see, the panel gap lines up.
Actually, it does line up really well.
Really nice all the way down. We get a little bit of polish, so it's actually come up really nice. And now it's got fingerprints on it, but it's fine. But yeah, so jobs are good. And Jake's car is now actually looking decent again.
What?
So yeah, so that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Just a thought, we'll pick the camera up and film it while we're doing something with cars. Yeah. Why not? It's a car channel. So we fixed Jake's car for him, so he's happy. The car looks better again, and yeah, we've spent the afternoon doing that. So if you did like the video, guys, remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well for Jake, and until the next one, guys, we'll catch you then.